Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I am going to be cooking the famous Disney grilled cheese sandwich. This was a recipe that was a closely guarded secret apparently by Disney. For some reason they decided to give that recipe to the public. So I've never tried it before, so I'll give it a go today. So into a blender or a food mixer I'm going to put 100 grams of cream cheese, or I think it's about half a cup. Then 100 grams of grated cheese, mixed cheese there, again half a cup. Followed by 2 tablespoons of double cream. And finally a pinch of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Put the lid on and give it a whiz. Now you may have to do this a few times because it's quite a dry mix and you'll need to push it down, but persevere. And there we have our creamy, cheesy sandwich mix. Next, we'll take 200 grams or 1 cup of mayonnaise. And we'll add 1.5 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic and give it a good mix. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you can do that, it would be amazing as it makes all the difference. Next we'll take a slice of bread. Going to add 2 slices of Italian provolone cheese. Now I found it difficult to get this cheese in the UK, I actually bought it online, but you could use other cheeses instead, say mild cheddar for example. We then spread our cheesy, creamy sandwich mix over the provolone, or provolone as they say in America. And then add a couple of slices of orange cheese, melty cheese, or it could be cheddar, could be double Gloucester, could be red Leicester. And place the other slice of bread. Finally, we spread the garlic mayonnaise over the top. And in a dry frying pan on a low to medium heat, we place the sandwich, mayonnaise side down. And we'll cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the bread is toasted and golden and the cheese has started to melt. If you want to speed things up with the cheese melting, you can of course put a lid on. That'll help increase the overall heat. And of course, don't forget to spread the other side of the sandwich before you flip it over. When you flip it over, be careful and do it gently, not like I did. You'll do a better job. And now all we need to do is cut it in 2, give it a taste. Have you ever seen a sandwich that is as cheesy, as creamy, and as delicious as this? It's an absolute cracker. Please, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please hit that notification bell as well, and I'll see you in the next video.